Stoney Creek Hydraulics is the premier choice for all types of hydraulic and pneumatic cylinder repair. And with over 75 years of combined experience, if they can't repair it, they can manufacture it. Their facility includes in-house testing up to 10,000 psi, a 36-inch swing lathe, and 10 tons of lifting capabilities. Stoney Creek Hydraulics is available 24/7 for repairs and emergency service to your mill-type, welded, and NFPA cylinders. They offer pickup and delivery and will provide on-site service and troubleshooting. To show their devotion to customer service and satisfaction, Stoney Creek Hydraulics offers a 1-year guarantee on all parts and labor.